If I show you a free system that makes money online from every website on the internet, whether it's yours or not, would you be interested? If you are, then in the next 2 minutes, I'll change the way you use it forever. Just a few years ago, I was in the same situation you're in right now, sitting in front of the computer, looking for a way to make a few extra bucks. If you somehow landed on this page, then consider yourself very lucky, because I'm about to save you a lot of time and money. Let me explain. I used to spend thousands each year purchasing tons of ebooks, wasted my time with a lot of useless money-making software. The truth is, I never made a dime with any of those get-rich-overnight products. I quickly realized that the ones that knew how to make money were not interested in sharing the information. So I decided to find my own unique method of making money on the internet. Just a few weeks later, I stumbled upon an article that talked about how domains and websites were the virtual real estate of the modern world. In fact, in 2009, about 3.1 million domain names were registered each month. Today, there are over 150,000 new domain names being registered daily. So, with such a huge growing demand for domains and website services, do you see an opportunity to make money? Well, I did. The first company I noticed that was benefiting from the massive internet growth and making big bucks was GoDaddy. Currently, they're one of the top domain and website providers in the world. They make millions each year selling services like domains and hosting services. So I started thinking, how can I get a small piece of this huge pie? After some research, I found out that some companies like GoDaddy offer known affiliate programs. These types of affiliate programs allow you to sell domains and website services while earning a commission on each sale. The problem is that most affiliate programs don't pay recurring commissions. You only make pennies on the dollar. I knew there had to be another way. Just not ready to waste my time and money again. Then just a few days later, it finally came to me. Completely by accident, by the way. I can't tell you all the details here. First, I need to make sure you're serious about changing your financial situation. I will tell you this. If you want to learn how to make big monthly commissions on autopilot, get paid directly to your PayPal account, and get started risk-free with no out-of-pocket cost, then pay attention. The next page will show you the exact 3-step simple formula I created that allows me to earn monthly commissions from hundreds of websites online, even from sites I do not own. The best part is, as my network of websites grows each month, my monthly residual earnings grow as well. It's amazing, really. And today I want to show you how this simple 3-step formula works for a total price of $0. That's right, free. But no, I'm not kidding. And there's no catch or funny business involved. My system can be used by anyone, anywhere, as many times as you want. All you have to do is fill out the form on this page with your name and email address. Once inside, you'll get access to the 3-step system, which you can start using today. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for sticking around.